All right, so we're trending warmer. We're going to be in the 70s by tomorrow afternoon. The forecast high 76 for Baton Rouge. Not quite record territory. That would be 86 set back in 2023, but 7 degrees warmer than we should be for this time of year. Normal high here as we kind of end the month of February is closing in on 70 degrees, but we're going to be well into the 70s for tomorrow afternoon. A big aid in why we're going to be seeing that rise in temperature is the southerly wind direction, but you'll also notice we're going to be dealing with the wind again for tomorrow with very windy conditions. So sustained winds upwards of 20 miles per hour tomorrow, which means the gusts will be even higher. Could see some wind gusts low 30 mile per hour range during the heart of the afternoon tomorrow. So yeah, we're dealing with this warming trend, but basically we're going to get into a stagnant weather pattern as we get towards the end of the week into the weekend, even with a cold front that's expected to move through Friday morning. So the front really doesn't do anything for our afternoon temperatures. In fact, we're going to warm up behind the front Saturday afternoon and then again on Sunday afternoon. 79 and 81 is not bad. We will take that anytime we can for a weekend here in South Louisiana, and we'll also take that zeroed out rain chance for Saturday and Sunday, but we could use some rain here in South Louisiana. We've got increasing drought in some spots. You can see isolated showers is all we're expecting on Thursday. Anything we see Thursday, brief and very light. 60% chance of rain on Friday. So yes, a likely chance of rain on Friday, but it may move in so quickly it's going to limit how much rainfall we could see. And the Weather Prediction Center still estimating less than 1/4 of an inch of rainfall for most of our area. Right now they're kind of highlighting around Metro Baton Rouge 1/10 of an inch of rain on average. Now we still could see a localized bullseye here or there if we get a thunderstorm developing with this shower and thunderstorm action, but bottom line, we're not expecting widespread drenching rain, which is kind of what we need to help out with this fire threat and drought conditions. So we're clear for right now. We'll stay clear through the evening hours. Clouds will start to build back in as we head towards the morning start for tomorrow. Let's just call it partly cloudy skies to start the day. Then clouds continue to fill in, mostly cloudy, but notice Futurecast showing a lack of rainfall, so we're not expecting any rain from the clouds tomorrow, although it may look like it is going to rain at times for your Wednesday. As we move into Thursday, you'll notice a couple of specks here or there, but notice how quickly they move in and out and how very light they are and not organized. So we're talking about isolated coverage, and if we see anything, not going to last for very long. But that all begins to change late Thursday night into Friday morning. Models starting to delay the arrival of the rains a bit deeper into the day. So now we're talking about Friday right around rush hour for showers and storms to start rolling through Metro Baton Rouge and the interstate corridor. So here we are paused at 6 o'clock. Some questions as to just how strong this action will get. Probably going to have a little bit of a lack of instability based off of the timing of when these showers and storms will be arriving. So still some question marks as to whether we will see severe weather, but right now chances are still very low. But what looks to be a line or broken line of showers and storms will form, it looks like, ahead of this front and continue to drift off towards the east-southeast through the morning hours on Friday. So by the time we get towards mid to late morning hours, maybe trending drier and also starting to trend clearer. Some other model guidance suggests we could see some of this delayed a little bit slower with the frontal progression moving through. Again, we're highlighting some areas of drought kind of in and around Metro Baton Rouge, not necessarily within the heart of the city, but you got some severe drought down towards the coast, and then you've got some extreme drought here across portions of Alexandria to the east into southwestern Mississippi. So yeah, there's some drought out there, and of course that is also leading to fire spread concerns. You can see where we've got burn bans in place. 19 parishes now dealing with burn bans. That means it's illegal to do any open burning, but burning is still discouraged area-wide across South Louisiana based off of just how dry it has been and the weather conditions we're dealing with right now. It's very gusty winds can spread those flames very quickly. So we'll hope for some rain. It'll come as we get into Friday morning, but probably not a lot of rainfall. And then it's a picturesque weekend ahead, Saturday and Sunday. If you don't have those outdoor plans planned yet, make some now.